Hey kids, look what have we got today. We have got this alphabets. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's do one thing. Let's jumble this up and then we'll put it back. Woo! I'm going to jumble this up. This is fun. I'm loving it. Alright, so I've jumbled all the alphabets and I'll put it back. So let's start now. We'll start with, oh, we still have S and T. So we'll jumble this as well. We have jumbled all the alphabets now, and now we'll start with A. Where do we have A? Here we have got A, so we'll put it here. After A, here comes B, so we have got B here, so we'll put B here. Now it's the time for C. Where do we have C? C should be somewhere here. We have got C now, so we'll put C here. After C, it comes D. Where do we have D? Okay, so D. Here we have D. So we are going to set D here. After D, we have E. So we have E here. We are going to set it up here. So now it's A, B, C, D, E. So after E, we have F. So where do we have? Oh, we have got F here. So we are going to set F here now. Alright, so we have got F here now. So after F, we need to set G. So we have got G here. So G will go here. Now after G, it's a time for H. Where do we have H? H is here. So H will go here. After H, it will come I. So I is here. I should be going here now. So now it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. After I, it's a time for J. So where do we have J? Let's search it now. Oh, we got J here. So J will go here now. So after J, it's a time for K. So where do we have K now? K is here. So K will be going here now. After K, it's a time for L. Where do we have L? Oh, L is here. So L will be going here now. So after L, it's a time for M. Where do we have M? M is here. So M should be going after L. So M, no, it's W. So it would not be going here. This is M. So M would be going here. After M, it comes N. Where do we have N? Oh, we got N here now. So N would be coming in here. So now it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So now it's a time for O. After N, O comes. So O would be going here now. It's a time for P. So P is here. Wow, this is fun and I'm loving it. I'm really enjoying it. So after P, it's a time for Q. So Q would be going here. Ooh, wow. And after Q, here comes R. Where do we have R? Oh, we have got R here now. So it's R. Now it's a time for S. We have got S here. Alright, so after S, it's a time for T. So T will be coming in here. So now it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now it's a time for U. So U will be coming in here. So after U, it's a time for V. So V would be coming in here. After V, it's it's Y. So Y will be coming here, and in the end, after Y, it will be Z. So we have got all the alphabets now. So it's 26 alphabets. So let's start it again. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, alright, so it's A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for grapes, H is for hen, I is for ice cream, J is for jug, K is for kite, L is for lion. So A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for grapes, H is for hen, I is for ice cream, J is for jug, K is kite, L is lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange. So A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for, you tell me now, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So kids, I hope you liked it. I'll see you next time in my next video. So till then, goodbye.